Step 1. Preparation of plan. Planning is crucial before you can pitch to your investors. Smart investors know if you're planning on a whim, so build your plans before laying it out to the investors. To put it simply, decide upon your key messages. Key messages are indicators of your company's focus or goals. It could be a set of questions to put your company in the right direction. Questions such as, are you growing rapidly? Are you solving an obvious problem? Is your company's branding marketable? How can the investors benefit from the investment? The answers will aid you to set your business primary goals. Now that you have your key messages in check, preparing your idea will help you determine what excites investors the most. The potential return, the social advantages it provides, or the excitement of being associated with your brand. You'd want to address all of those. Thus, the importance of creating a core message will help you to create a better sales pitch. Finally, you want to attract investors to invest in your business. For example, you have an idea to turn the invested $1 into $2. How will you portray this plan the best way possible to grab that investor's attention that you desire? To do so, you need to come up with a complete plan for your investors. However, you'll also need to include the risk and the rate of return on the investment. Why? There will always be pros and cons to an idea. Laying this out and acknowledging that you know that there are risks to your investors by adding relevant mitigation measures will add value to your ideas and to you as a business owner.